Welcome back, everyone.
Are you ready? Let's go.
Let's see if we can find any animals. What is that?
There. It's an oryx.
There's 4 species of oryx, and while 3 of them are native to Africa and 1 is Arabian, we will look at the southern African one that's more commonly known as the gemsbok or gemsbok as we say it.
Not oryx. This one.
The gemsbok is the largest of all the oryx species. It weighs about 240 kilograms or 330 pounds. What makes it different from the others is a patch of black above the tail and more black on its legs. Its face is black and white, contrasting its brown and black body.
They are running, and this one is walking. Look at their big horns.
And of course, like all oryx, they have really long horns. That's about 1 to 1.2 meters long. That's about the same size of their entire body. Both females and males have horns, although the female horns are usually a bit thinner. The oryx can sense rainfall from far away, and they will walk up to 80 kilometers to feed on new plants. They eat grass, leaves, roots, and even melons in desert areas. They prefer open, dusty areas where they can see predators from far away.
They look for food.
And they can go without water for weeks. So they make sure to eat early morning or late at night when plants have the most water in them. Although about 45% of oryx is owned by private landowners in Africa, the African Wildlife Foundation works with governments and villages to ensure gateways between large areas of land that oryx is used to move freely and safely from one park or country to another. These gateways or corridors link protected areas and allow wildlife to follow rain or travel to specific grounds where they have their babies. Baby oryx is called a calf, and they drink milk from their mom until they are about 4 months old.
Quick, little baby, there's a big giraffe coming.
The young oryx will stay with the herd, and these herds can have about 40 to 600 oryx in it.
It's a white oryx. I like the mommy one.
Males will sometimes push each other around to show who is the boss. They will bump their heads and clash their horns to show who is stronger, but they usually don't hurt each other. Maybe just break a horn. Some people think that the idea of the unicorn came from the oryx. Because its horns are hollow bone, they can't regrow if they break off. So you'll sometimes see an oryx with just one horn. they have an amazing circulation system in their head. They are able to cool the blood flowing to their brain through very tiny blood vessels in their nose while they breathe. When it gets too hot and they can't find a tree, our oryx will dig a hole for resting and cooling down.
I like this one.
Yes, they are very beautiful. It's been a long day.
Skin Dog, it's time to go camp.
Thank you for coming with us. We'll see you again soon.